Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to change your mobile number now. Have your employee ID, current and new mobile numbers, and any ID documents at hand. Log into the Hrms portal using your credentials and complete any two-factor authentication immediately because security gates block edits otherwise. Once logged in, go straight to self-service, open personal details, and tap Edit. Make these first moves without delay so you can reach the mobile field and start the actual change process. Now enter the new mobile number carefully. A single-digit mistake creates future access problems. Choose the SMS OTP verification method if shown because it ties the change to your device in real time. If the Hrms asks for supporting proof, upload a clear image of the required document. Do this before saving. Then hit Save or Submit. This action usually creates a change request that routes to your reporting officer or HR for approval, which is why after submission, expect an OTP on the new number. Enter it promptly to confirm ownership and finalize the update. Once approved, verify the mobile change by revisiting personal details and watching for confirmation SMS on payslips or HR alerts. If the update fails or stalls, capture the request ID from the Hrms, take screenshots of errors or pending status, and contact HR with those details. Doing so speeds resolution because they can trace workflow, correct data, or reinitiate verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.